Today's video tutorial, we are going to look up to some new Instagram features, such as mentioning someone after posting on your story. In case you have forgotten to mention or give credits to someone before sharing your story, you don't need to delete your story. You can simply mention them to your already shared story in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your App Store or Play Store and check out if your Instagram is up to date. If not, make sure to first update your Instagram account. Then head into your Instagram. On your profile page, let's say you have already shared a story. To mention or shout out anyone, you will have to tap on these three dots on your bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the option of Add Mentions. Select any account you want to mention in your already shared story. Tap on Add. The selected users will get mentioned in your story successfully. That's how you can mention someone on an already shared story on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. And I'll see you in the next video.